New Claude Computer Use AI agent. Automate anything. You are losing hours every single week to tasks a computer could do for you. Tasks that are repetitive, boring, the same thing, over and over, and you're still doing them manually because setting up real automation always felt too complicated. Not anymore? Hey, I'm Ava, your AI educator, and today I'm walking you through one of the biggest upgrades Claude has had in a long time, Claude's Computer Use feature. This is where AI stops being a chat tool and starts actually doing work on your computer for you. No code, no complex setup, just plain language. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works, how to turn it on, what to use it for, and why scheduled tasks are the part most people haven't talked about yet. Stay with me because that section alone is worth watching all the way through. So what is computer use actually doing? When Claude doesn't have a direct connection to a tool you're using, it can now navigate your screen directly. It clicks, types, opens apps, creates files, and works through tasks end to end. Just like a person sitting at your computer would, you describe what you want in plain language, and Claude figures out how to do it. It lives inside a product called Cowork, which is in the Claude Desktop App. And it's also available inside Claude Code for developers. Claude always tries the fastest path first. If there's a connector available like Gmail, Google Drive, or Slack, it uses that. When there's no connector, it navigates through Chrome. And when that's not enough, it goes to computer use and interacts directly with your screen, clicking, typing, opening whatever it needs. This matters because screen interaction is slower than a direct connector. So Claude is smart about when it actually reaches for your screen versus when it takes a faster route. Computer Use is currently in research preview. It's available on Pro and Max plans on macOS with Windows support coming soon. Here's how to enable it. Make sure you have the latest version of the Claude Desktop app from claude.com chart download. Open the app, go to Settings, then General, and turn on the Computer Use toggle. Then open Cowork or Claude Code and start a session. When you first ask Claude to interact with an app, it will ask your permission before touching it. You'll see a prompt and you have to approve it. Claude cannot access anything without your sign-off first. Also worth knowing, when Claude uses computer use, it takes screenshots of your screen to understand what it's looking at. So if you have sensitive documents or apps open, close them before running a task. Anthropic also blocks certain sensitive apps by default, like banking and investment platforms. So what should you actually use this for? You can have Claude pull together a competitive analysis using your local files and connected tools, then compile it into a formatted report. You can have it fill a spreadsheet with data from multiple sources, format everything, and save it to a shared folder. Or use it to navigate apps that don't have connectors yet, like an internal dashboard your team uses. These use cases get more powerful when you combine computer use with Cowork's projects feature. Projects let you organize tasks into persistent workspaces with their own files, instructions, and memory. So Claude learns how you work and holds context across sessions. You're not starting from scratch every time. That's what makes this feel less like a tool and more like something that actually knows your workflow. When I first started using Cowork, I honestly didn't know where to begin. That's when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It helped me figure out which workflows to prioritize and which ones to skip. Real use cases, practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve how you work, check it out. Link in the description. Let me walk you through what a real task looks like. Say you want Claude to write a blog post and save it as a file on your computer. You open Cowork, describe what you want, and Claude gets to work. It can open Terminal, create a new document, write the content, and save the file, all on your actual machine. The approval system means Claude pauses before any significant action and asks if it's okay to proceed. You can watch every step in real time, or step away and come back to finished work. And if you've set up a project with context about your brand, your writing style, your audience, Claude pulls all of that in to make the output actually useful. The more context it has, the better the work. Now here's the part I really want you to pay attention to: scheduled tasks. This is what takes computer use from impressive to genuinely useful on a daily basis. You describe a recurring task once, set a cadence, and Claude runs it automatically. Hourly, daily, weekly, weekdays only, or on demand. Scheduled tasks are available for all paid plans: Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise. To set one up, open Cowork and type schedule in any task. That launches a built-in skill that walks you through creating it. You add the details, Claude asks a few questions, you confirm, and it's scheduled. Common things people set up: a daily briefing that summarizes emails or calendar events from the past 24 hours, a weekly report that pulls data from Google Drive and compiles it into a formatted summary, recurring research that tracks competitors or industry news on a set cadence. One useful thing to know: after the first run, Claude actually rewrites the task prompt based on what it learned, so it gets more precise over time. It knows exactly where to find the information and which connectors to use on every future run. Your computer does need to be awake, and the Claude Desktop app needs to be open for tasks to run. If your computer is asleep when a task is scheduled, Cowork will skip that run and catch up automatically once it wakes. You'll get a notification when that happens. And here's something that makes this even more flexible: you can assign tasks from your phone. For Pro and Max users, there's mobile access built in. You send a task from your phone, Claude works on it on your desktop, and messages you the result when it's done. You don't have to be sitting at your desk. Your phone becomes the remote control for your desktop AI agent. Before I wrap up, let me be straight with you about the safety side of this. Computer Use runs outside the isolated virtual machine that Cowork normally uses. That means Claude is interacting with your actual desktop. Anthropic has built safeguards in per-app permissions, a block list for sensitive apps, and scanning for prompt injection attempts. Claude is also trained to avoid risky operations like deleting files without permission. But Anthropic is clear that these safeguards are not perfect. This is a research preview. Start simple. Low-stakes tasks like summarizing or organizing information. Don't give Claude access to banking apps, healthcare portals, or anything with sensitive personal data. Keep scheduled task instructions specific and narrow so Claude knows exactly what it's allowed to do. Treat it like a new colleague. You wouldn't hand someone on their first day access to everything. Start small, check the work, and expand from there. So let's bring this together. Claude's Computer Use lets it interact directly with your screen to complete tasks end to end. Available in Cowork and Claude Code on the Claude Desktop app. macOS now, Windows coming soon. Research preview for Pro and Max. Scheduled tasks available on all paid plans. To enable it, go to Settings, then General in the Claude Desktop app and turn on the Computer Use toggle. Claude always asks permission before touching any new app. Use projects to give Claude context about how you work, and use scheduled tasks to put recurring work on autopilot. We are moving into the agent era of AI, tools that don't just answer questions but actually do things, work in the background, run while you're focused on something else. Claude Computer Use is one of the clearest examples of that shift happening right now, and this is still early, which means the best time to learn it is before everyone else catches up. If you're looking to go deeper with AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively and sharing what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information from people doing the real work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to apply them. Link in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes in there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are using AI in their work every day. If this video helped you, drop a like. It genuinely helps more people find this content. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.